Hello guys. I wanted to introduce a structural lime-based reinforcement system for old buildings. This is probably the only certified reinforcement system for old buildings, which you can see behind me. The system consists of basically one key material. It's called the Betoncino Consolidante, and as opposed to what its name suggests, this is lime, but this is rated. It is available in 5, 10 and 15 Newton compression strength, and you can adjust it to the application. It has been developed in Italy mainly for seismic reinforcement. Unfortunately, quite many old buildings fall prey to earthquakes and they fall down forever. But when the plastering is done using this system, it tends to stay together even when an earthquake happens, as you can see on these pictures. In one part of this castle, this system has been used. You can see that that part of the building stayed in one piece and the other part collapsed. So the system is tried and tested and proven, and it can replace these cement-based applications that are available on the market. So essentially you need one coat, preferably 15-20 mil, reinforcement mesh, and then maybe another 10-15 mil, and as needed you can anchor this into the masonry using these fiberglass candles. So this bit can be mortared into the core of the wall, and you spread this open, and then it will look something like this at the end. And when applied the second coat of the Betoncino Consolidante, it will be rock solid. And as you can see, you can do the same on the other side, so that the whole wall is kept together, or only one side as needed. But that's just an optional extra. Or the material can be used separately for any structural work really, such as underpinning or crack repair or embedding structural timber, or any job really that requires structural support without the side effects of using cement in old buildings. Thanks for watching.